Hello, you're watching Much Ado About Something today, and I'm Donna. I'm out here in the garden, just starting a little bit of cleanup for the winter. I've got a few things that needs to be done. It's not our major cleanup day. Me and Donna would have a major cleanup day for the front gardens and for the back gardens. Today's not that day. I'm just out here walking around in the gardens, doing a few things. You can hear the little roosters over there. They're just crowing. Now this is the kids' garden where we planted things for them so that they could get anytime they wanted. Get them some little tomatoes or whatever that they might want. Now I bought off of Amazon these little tomato clips. This one's broken, but I get out here and I try to salvage what I can of them and reuse them. Because, you know, not only does it make your money last longer, but it also saves plastic out of the landfill. Now there is a place for plastic in our world. There's many, many things that are made out of plastic. Even little things like this are time savers when you're in the garden. You can see down here Donald has tied up some of these things with a string, but that's a plastic string. It just holds up better in the winter. Right here it is. These are the little cherry tomatoes that we put back here on the back side of the fence so that we could eat them, fresh eat them. We have ate some fresh this morning, and Ellie has picked off some of the ripe ones and fed them to the chickens this morning as a treat. Well, we're not going to keep these here. There are some green ones, but it's getting the end of the season. It's going to frost, and we're not going to get many more tomatoes off of these little cherry tomatoes. You can see right here. Here's the green tomatoes that would probably ripen if we left them. There's a few blooms and already on here, so we could get a few more if we wanted to, but we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to chalk it up to the end of the season. I am going to keep a few, just a few dried little cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to keep them for seeds. I won't need many because, you know, those things will be coming up on their own. They'll be self-seeding before we know it. I'm just going to put them up here on the table. I'll have to throw this broken clip away. This is the third year that I've used these, so these have lasted quite a while. Here are the little ones that haven't broken. I'll go ahead as I cut down these tomatoes and cut down this stuff out of this garden area. I'll go ahead and save any clips that I find. But it's a little bit of gardening work. We fed the animals this morning. Ellie's little black-eyed Susan vine is still growing pretty. We're trying to leave a few things so that we can get the seeds, and then we won't have to buy seeds for these next year. We'll just have them. We'll come out here and gather them and have plenty of seeds without having to purchase those again. So we're just going to clip the majority of these tomatoes. I'll get them clipped off of this fence, get them raked down, and get them cleaned up. Not a hard job, it's a pretty easy job to do. Might have to go get some scissors, clip off the string that Grandpa put out here. I'm getting to where I can use my arm a little bit, and that's a great thing. All right. Thank you.
I was going.
Okay. What you picking, Ellie?
I'm picking these pretty purple flowers.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I make them like a little flower plate.
Little arrangement.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful heart-shaped leaf you got.
Thanks. And it's very big.
Oh, and look, the morning glory leaves are heart-shaped.
Whoa.
That's a red bud,
Okay.
and that's a morning glory.
Whoa.
There are a lot of heart-shaped leaves in nature, aren't they?
Yes. Hi. This is lemon balm. And guess what? You can make tea out of this. And sometimes they're really soft because they got a little bit of hairs on them. See?
How does it smell?
It smells like lemons.
Does it?
Uh-huh.
Where did you find that?
Oh, I'll show you. Follow me. I found it way back here.
Oh, yeah.
And you can find this like in a small field or anywhere else.
We didn't plant this lemon balm, did we?
It just grew by itself.
It planted itself from one of Grammy's other plants.
Yeah.
What are we going to do with that?
We're going to make tea out of this.
Is it delicious?
I think so.
Can you drink it hot or cold?
Probably both.
That's right. That's exactly right. All right. Come with me. I want to show you something, Ellie.
Okay.
Good morning, Maddie.
Morning, Ollie.
See all these little plants right here?
Yeah.
Here in the garden?
Yep.
They're all lemon balm.
A lot of lemon balms.
All these seeded. They are in the mint family. So
Yep.
they spread like crazy. The lemon balm does. But we'll be digging, well, not digging these up, but pulling them up. We're doing a no-dig garden. So we're not going to dig, but we are going to pull these lemon balm sprouts here that we've got everywhere. We're going to go ahead and pull them up because we don't need this much lemon balm. It would take over this whole space if we let it. So we're just going to
Pick it.
Yeah.
And we're going to make tea out of it.
That's right.
And it really tastes good.
It does. I think lemon balm tastes great too. Got a few more tomato plants to pull down here. We got most of them up over here. We've got some more that has to come down over here. And we'll get this area cleaned up and get all this dead growth and stuff where it needs to be. Oh no, I'll never find it. It's camouflage.
Yeah,
David's wanting to play hide and seek with his hat.
but it's a green. It's in green color.
Oh, it's a green hat?
Yes, it's a green hat.
Did you find more heart-shaped leaves?
Uh-huh. I found this clover. I'm going to test it out to see if it can go through this.
It is clover.
Yeah. Leprechauns love this.
Oh, they do?
Legend says if you find a 4-leaf clover, leprechauns will come.
Ah, do we believe that?
No.
Okay.
Just kidding, we do.
Do we?
Granny, okay. Granny, we do not believe in leprechauns.
Well, it's just fun to...
Granny, continue finding my hat. Okay.
Oh, Grammy can't find your hat. You've probably hid that thing I don't know where. Can't be too far because you didn't go too far.
Okay. Cold.
Is it blending in? Is your hat blending in?
Yes, it's blending in. Am I getting cold or hot? No, I'm playing a game for Granny.
I found it.
Cold? What? I thought it was camouflage.
It is. It was not easy to find.
Look what I found.
What did you find?
I found this.
Another sporadic, free-range lemon balm plant.
But this doesn't smell like lemons. This smells like mint.
Does it?
Yes.
It's lemon balm.
But when you rub it, it smells like mint. Wow. And when you rub it, it actually smells stronger.
It does. Yeah, when you crush it, that's when you get the smell. You're right.
Yeah. You can find these.
Actually, this was the original lemon balm plant. And all these other ones came from this one. Let's see if the chickens want some of it.
The chickens love plants.
Oh, we got one running around with it here.
Okay, Henry, here you go. Chicken.
Hey, chickens.
Share with your cousins and friends.
Good morning. Good morning, love. Spider web?
Yeah. Where's the spider?
I don't know.
Right there.
Oh, you found them?
Oh, maybe that's just the stick.
Oh, I see the egg sac.
Egg sac?
Back here. We're out in the backyard adventuring. Lord, there's a lot of work that needs to be done out here. We like to do it in the fall. It's just easier. It's less to deal with. Hey, chickens. Good morning. Say, did you give us eggs this morning? Yeah. They did give us eggs, and they are liking, Ellie, they're liking their lemon balm.
Did I already get you already?
Well, this is most of the work that I've gotten up right here. I've just got everything down from the sides of the fence, and then I've got a pile here, and I'll come back and get this pile up later and do what needs to be done with that. It's just hard for me out here by myself with the kids. They've gone in because we've got scheduled things. So I've got to go in and take care of them. I cannot get a big chunk of work done at a time. These are all the clips that were still good. I just had to throw away one. I'm going to grab the eggs real quick. It's heating up out here. It's getting warm. I don't know how warm it's supposed to be today, but it feels like it's going to be in the 70s here at the end of October, so it's warming up. I'm going to go ahead and let you know that I'm thankful that you showed up today, that you watched the video, just us being ourselves around here, tackling tasks that are, you know, necessary, but you just have to do them when you can, when you've got a busy life. I was busy grandparenting today. My little grandchildren, they need attention and time. They want to play games, and I want to do that with them. So I spent a lot of time doing that out here today. We got our vitamin D, got our time out in the sun. I still have so much to do, but today's not the day to do it all. I have to do a lot of my work in chunks, just little opportunistic times that I can get out here and get this work done. I tell you that I appreciate you. I appreciate my good follower that always comments and supports me and is my friend. I also appreciate my sisters. Thank you for everything that you do. I appreciate that that viewer, that follower with that big channel that says I'm an inspiration to her. What a wonderful thing. I appreciate that so much. Thank you all for joining me. Every one of you count. Every one of you matter. Couldn't do it without you. I hope you have a great day. And like always, until next time.